Hello and welcome to a new series on the Tryhard Army HB. This is obviously Aliens vs. Predator, 2011 one, also known as the one that doesn't suck. We'll be playing Marine missions. Oh, I'm Mr. Killstick. Yeah, you didn't know already. Yeah, so, new game. Easy, because I would like to make progress, and I kind of suck at games and well, I don't. But I don't know. I played
Sir,
them.
we're ready to begin.
And here's a cut.
How old do you think it is? 10,000? 100,000?
Mr. Wayland?
Yes. Begin the breaching procedure.
Oh, he don't look so good in this game. Silence! Because only good things are behind doors that fucking big. Oh. He's not gonna have a good time. It's a hell of a nightlight. And a loading screen. Hopefully this isn't as long as the ones from Gears of War. Oh. Yay!
Coming in low
Another
and
cutscene.
smooth. Still nothing from the surface?
These gentlemen will have long fulfilling lives.
Understood, Marlowe. What the hell? Unknown vessel detected. Shit, it just appeared out of nowhere. Marlowe, you reading this?
They do.
Shit.
Here's because there's sound in space.
Marlowe! Come in, Marlowe!
Marlowe got blown the fuck up. Did you not just see that shit?
The Marlowe's gone. Last wave inbound. Strap in and hold tight. That means you too, Rookie.
Hey,
What's the matter, rookie? Didn't they cover this in simulation?
I don't think he's gonna see what that simulations is.
Tequila,
Right
get the
in the
kid on his
thing,
feet. He's out cold.
Rookie, you still with us?
Kinda. Sorta.
Come on, Private. Let's get you on your feet.
Hey.
Okay, listen up. We have a potential xenomorph infestation here. That's right, a bug hunt.
Super.
So make sure you nail your targets at a distance. Molecular acid can be a real son of a
Why
bitch.
aren't we using lasers on these assholes? Because it cauterizes the wound as it kills you. Oh well, that would make too damn much sense, wouldn't it?
All right, Marines, time to secure the area. Let's take a look inside.
Why aren't we using drones for this? It's the damn... Oh well.
Got
It
something!
takes
Movement right on top of us!
We wouldn't have a game.
Contact!
Yeah, drag that half-conscious asshole into a tower. That's a smart idea. Let's get on with it. If I can.
Rookie, you reading me? This is Tequila. Thought we
Super.
lost you, kid. Take your time. Look
Hey.
around slowly.
Hey, I'm looking around. Everything. creepy place.
You took quite a knock to the head during the drop. Take a
Oh, I
stick.
cannot
You'll
see
feel
that.
better.
I don't need your drugs. Pusher man. Oh, fuck it. Oh my.
Your squad bugged out in a hurry. Had to leave you behind.
Oh,
On the upside,
super.
you missed a hell of a fight.
Okay,
Power's down all over the colony. Use your flashlight.
so this guy's spooky. Oh good, my gun has a flashlight. That's
And
nice.
if you need more light, pop a flare.
I can't see shit. I'm going to turn up brightness. Video. Brightness. There we go.
Alright,
Still
Marie.
can't see
You
shit.
need to get out of there.
Fuck it.
Way out's via the basement. I'll send an objective marker to your heads-up display.
Flare time. Oh, I
You
just
should be clear
eliminated
of
a dead end.
friendlies, so if anything moves, shoot it.
Cool beans. Alright, let's practice on this explodey thing and hopefully I don't lose anything. Hi. Win. Okay, I can run. Good.
Listen,
Just went.
Major Van Zant's got trouble in the refinery. I gotta go off.
Ew, spider!
I'll be in touch.
That still hasn't blown up yet. I'm gonna make it. Yikes. Can I jump? Oh my god, I can jump higher than that in real life. Are you fucking kidding me? What is he doing, like 6 inches of air? Come on. Oh, somebody had me this one step. Down the stairs. It's. Oh, fuck me, I forgot. Oh. Ah. I need to do things gooder and prepare better. Okay, timer set and up. So, flashlight. Already forgot what button does that shit. Okay, B. This is a shitty flashlight. No. Oh. Building tension. Oh, somebody's getting fucked up off screen. Hold X to interact. Oh, somebody did not have a good time. A lot of interaction. It might be a while before I get to kill anything.
BG-386. Not quite a home away from home when the company staked its claim. But here at Weyland-Yutani we see beyond the immediate. Shaping new worlds for every man, woman, and child.
With questionable ethics.
Weyland-Yutani. Building.
Damn it! There you go to a place and do a thing. Or am I... Wait, am I just going around in fucking circles?
BG-386. Not quite a home away from home when the company staked its claim. But here at Weyland-Yutani we see beyond the immediate.
Mine should be at a reasonable level.
Shaping new worlds for every man, woman, and child.
So you can hear me prowl on with
Weyland-Yutani.
stuff and things. I want to play the power level. Excuse me. Ow.
Come in, rookie. You still breathing?
Uh-huh.
Good. Okay, rookie. We're gonna gonna reset the system with the power breaker.
Okay. We're gonna do a thing with the thing that does things. Pushing button. Oh, flipping
It
switch.
should be a lever. Good. Now give it a moment. Then turn it back
The
on.
lights are off.
7, 6, 5, 4,
Oh
3,
shit, that's the alt
2.
fire. Okay.
1. Now throw that lever again to reboot the system.
Okay. Ow! Whoa.
What happened?
I got fried.
Upgrading movement. Check your perimeter.
Okay.
Get out of there.
Okay.
Regroup with the others.
Me. I don't know what that is. I don't want to interact. There's a scary thing on the other side of this. Could it be an alien?
Close it, close it! Wait, I've still got environmental control.
Super. Do a thing to her to thing.
Diverting pressure to the pipes outside
Make
your
it do a stop it, because it's scary.
How'd you like that? You're clear, rookie. Move out. Nothing on the tracker. Incoming!
Me?
But keep your distance! Don't forget, you've got stims if you need them.
I didn't need it that time.
Damn it! No.
I
not
shot good. I is good shooter person. Running. I heard a growly growl. Okay, let's run this shit. What am I doing? What am I doing with this? Does this get heavy? Okay, same last checkpoint. Okay. So this is going to be the dashboard for the checkpoints. Okay, let's see.
Whatever sank the Marlowe handed the Xenos a trump card. This drop is shaping up worse than Acheron, if that's possible.
Never been there, don't know what the fuck you're talking about. Oh, there's my road. Okay. There's a road, there's a road. There's a gate. There's a fuck off my face, bitch! Getting in my bubble, dude. Stay out of my bubble. There will be trouble. Died to open the door.
Franco!
Can I get something other than a pistol?
Damn it!
Okay.
It's up to you now,
That's
rookie.
not done. That's
Get your ass to admin pronto.
Well,
We're in a real shitstorm here, so stay frosty, rookie.
I just
Everything we do here hangs by a thread, but the potential returns are vast. If Weyland-Yutani can leverage the Hunter's technology, we can monopolize human commerce. Every colony, every spacecraft, every weapon manufactured.
I'm still locked in admin with no power, rookie.
Okay.
I'm picking up movement ahead of you, and it ain't friendly.
Fucking predator. You know, spooky, scary and shit. Okay. A lot of people.
I'm locked in the next
So
room,
much.
but there's an emergency generator by the door. The generator takes power nodes. I saw some lying around out there.
I have played this game before, so we're making rapid progress. Unless I fuck out.
Good job, rookie. I guess where you...
Hello.
How's the head? Come on in and grab yourself a pulse rifle, kid.
Yay!
What the heck was Wayland Yutani up to down here? It's Xeno Central on this rock, and these bugs don't just pop up unannounced.
Well,
And I
it's
don't even
Wayland,
want to
so
think about the
thank you,
hostiles that popped in out of nowhere and took out the Marlow. Anyway, listen, I think I can control some of the colony's systems from here.
All right. Power's back online.
Repeat.
This is Connor. My squad's in the club.
Anybody else
We got
getting busy?
power, lighting, ventilation. Everything but the booze is flowing. Hold up.
Yeah, that's always a good mix.
We got movement. Guess we woke up the neighbors. Requesting backup. There's some weird shit in here.
Connor, I can give you one man. He's a little clumsy, but he's a Xeno killer, all right.
Clumsy?
Proceed to the club and give him some fire support.
Fuck you.
I gotta stay here and get the rooftop sentries back online. Give him hell, rookie.
Okay, open the door. Open the damn door. Oh, I don't know that. Spiffy Griffin. I want to try my new gun. Give me something to shoot at. Give me something. Yeah, there we go. Too close, too close. Ow, ow, ow. It burns. It burns. Oh, God. Okay. Whew. Oh, I'm gonna have an interesting look in the face.
Shut that damn music off!
Why were you running it to begin with?
Where are they coming from? Shut it off!
Oh, I'm dying to
Get in there and help them.
play last time. That sucks.
They need you up at the club.
Yeah, I'm on my way, goddamn. Elevator.
I've lost their readings. Connor, do you read? The rookie is in the vicinity. Rookie, they got the music off, so they must be near. Check the next floor.
See how I think this is. Oh, guess that means it's the end of the episode now. Well, sure. So, like, comment, subscribe. Send me some Kleenex. Just kidding. For fun and victory, this is Mr. Killstick, signing out.